Meaning of deceitfully.
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 Deceitfully. The term deceitfully refers to a dishonest or fraudulent action taken by an individual or group with the intent to deceive or mislead others. This can involve lying, cheating, stealing, or manipulating information to achieve a desired outcome. The result of such deceitful behavior can be harmful and damaging, both to those who are victimized and to society as a whole. It can erode trust, break social norms, and lead to a breakdown in relationships and institutions. Therefore, it is important to recognize and combat deceitful behavior when it occurs.